Oh my god. I have fabric and a plan, so let's go make something. Alright, so starting off with the pants. Now you could either follow this pattern here, or if you're lazy like me, just grab some pants that you already own. I actually made these the same way that I made the ones I'm making right now, but they didn't really turn out very good. So I'm making them again. But you're gonna want to take one leg and like kind of flip it into the other leg to make a flat pattern and cut that out of your material. Now I'd really suggest using a stretchy material. It'll make this a lot easier, and you're gonna wanna also make sure that the stretch is going the right way. Like, the reason why the other ones did not turn out very well was because I made the stretch going up and down instead of, like, width way. You're also gonna wanna cut off a little more at the back crotch seam, or else it won't fit that badonkadonk. Trust me, it'll make a big difference. And then go ahead and cut out the waistband, which is just a basic rectangle. And on your sewing machine, you're gonna wanna do a zigzag stitch with about like a 1.5 length and about 6 width. Now you're just gonna wanna sew the inseam, and if you don't know what an inseam is, if you see the color bars at the top of the screen here, you can go back to the pattern diagram that I made and go locate those colors, and it'll show you kind of what I'm doing in the moment. And I hope that helps, guys. I like, let me know, because I know I'm a visual learner, and in order for me to understand things, like there needs to be like some kind of diagram. And after a millennia of me threading my machine, I finally get to the sewing part. Oh my god, why did that take so long? Also, just ignore the YouTube in the back. I swear I can't get anything done unless there's like some kind of distraction like that. Like either it's like blazing music through a speaker or watching a video. I genuinely don't know why that helps me concentrate, but it does. Anyways, this is a better view of what I was doing. The inseam's done, and now we're gonna do the little crotch seam. I don't know if that has a better name to it. Wait, let me look it up. Oh my god, okay. So it's also called a rise seam. Gosh, that sounds so much better than the crotch seam. Um, wow, I'll be using that from now on, that's for sure. Also, I just like to address the elephant in the room, my camera quality. I know it's not the best, but I just got a new camera today, actually. It's a Canon SL2, and so I'm very, very excited to see how that puppy will work out, so stay tuned. But right now, you're just gonna want to put the waistband in, sew that in place, and then you're pretty much finished with the pants. It's that simple. I'd also like to mention that my water right now is like lukewarm, and that it like really upsets me. So I'm gonna go put ice in it and I'll BRB. Okay, I'm back. And listen to this. You hear that? That's ice ASMR. Gosh, I hope that's good. But is anyone else falling victim to like the AI videos on the internet right now? Because I saw like this AI video of this guy on set of like a live action Barbie in the pink shoes, and finding out it was AI was really upsetting because the actors that they chose was like they were so like perfect for the role, and I really want to see it now, but it doesn't exist, so I'm a little sad. Um, but yeah, oh, here I when you stretch stretchy material like that, it kind of rolls up on its own. So I kind of cheated the whole way, and I didn't hem anything, and I just did that to it. So I suggest it. Now onto part two, the top. You're also gonna want to either pick a top that fits you well and cut that out as a pattern, or I've provided a pattern, of course, same dealio. I also find it funny that the top that I chose is also leopard print. A bit of a diva with that one. But you're gonna want to sew the sides of this shirt together. Like I said, same dealio. Bars on top. Go check out the diagram. It'll help you out. To be quite frank with you guys, I kind of improvised this whole thing, and I'm shocked it turned out the way that it did, because I swear none of this was like lining up the way it was supposed to. So, though I say like I'm being super lazy with it, try not to be. Like, put some effort into it and it'll turn out really, really well. But now you're just gonna want to cut out the sleeves. I don't know why I didn't cut out the sleeves with the like main part of the top. I was just feeling a little fancy, I guess. Then, per usual, take those to the sewing machine and throw it all together, and you too can get a cute top out of it. Also, just looking down at my feet right now, I realized I just got some leopard like slippers. I don't know what it is. Why am I so obsessed with leopard nowadays? Like, it is a very classy pattern, and I think it's timeless, but I think it might be an addiction. But I don't care. I will keep buying leopard print stuff because it's really cute. And it's also kind of gives the same vibe as like mob wife stuff, which obviously I aspire to be like. Who wouldn't? Honestly, this video is making me realize I might be a bit of a yapper, which is news to me. Usually I'm kind of quiet. Anyways, we are in the home stretch right now. This set is nearly done, and I hope you like how it turned out if you ended up making this, which, if you did, proud of you. You stuck through it. Anyways, I'm done talking now. Overall, this was so easy to make. Took me like 2.5 hours, and that was distracted with YouTube. But takes very minimal skill. If you have a sewing machine and a dream, you can make this set. Or maybe you could just hand sew it. Who says you need a sewing machine? Don't let me tell you what to do. But it's super cozy, super comfortable, super cute, very flattering. And I recommend you make this. Find a nice soft material like I did because I will be living in this for the next like 2 weeks because I get hyperfixated like that. But yeah, I recommend. Bye bye, butterfly.